Treasure Discovery Institute. All classes are online. Become skilled and certificate at your home and earn online. We don't give you skill only but also teach how to earn online or offline using your skills. Come and join us. Our new season of web designing, whiteboard animation, basic video editing, professional SEO will start from May 2nd, 2018. Basic video editing. A lot of folks think video editing is complicated and hard to learn, but it doesn't have to be. In this course, you will learn the basics of video editing. You will learn how to import and organize your footage and assets, how to trim clips and add them to a timeline, and how to sweeten audio. You will learn about color correction and grading, video effects and transitions, and more. And you will be learning all of this while you are working on footage that is provided with this course. This way you can follow along and get real, hands-on experience. At the end of this course, you will have the skills to start editing your own project so that you can get started telling stories of your own. Course duration 1 month. Fee 1,000 rupees. Whiteboard animation. This course is targeted to students, researchers, science communicators, and educators who want to learn how to communicate their message using beautiful and whiteboard videos are the easiest type of animation to make and have the proven capacity to engage and hook in your audience. In this course, you learn what is whiteboard animation, difference between whiteboard, explainer, and other animations, overview of all animation softwares, how to understand script to create a beautiful whiteboard animation, how to do voiceover, how to change background, how to make freelancer profile for whiteboard animation and earn online. Course duration 1 week. Fee 1,000 rupees. Professional SEO. If you are educated and good content writer on any topic, then you earn online by making your own blog or website. In this course, we learn how to earn from website or blog, how to rank your website or keyword on the first page of Google. Course duration 3 month. Fee 3,000 rupees. Web designing. The internet is everyone's go-to source of information in today's world. Businesses, public figures, publications, and everything in between all have a presence on the web, and the more professional their website looks, the more successful they tend to be. Web designers are more in demand than ever before, and the profession is constantly changing along with the web itself. This course aims to teach the most up-to-date fundamentals of web design from scratch. This course has been developed for both complete beginners and those who already have a limited knowledge of web design. In this course we teach you basic of HTML, CSS and complete WordPress. It not only covers the conceptual framework of a WordPress-based system but also covers the practical aspects of building a modern website or a blog. This is surely a how-to guide on WordPress, and after this course you will be able to build your own professional websites for your business or for yourself. We also covers that how to earn online and become successful freelancer just providing WordPress services. Course duration 3 month. Fee 3,000 rupees. All courses will start on May 7, 2018. Last date of registration is May 2nd, 2018. For registration, go to page Treasure Discovery Institute and message with your email and course name. After that, you receive payment method to submit your fee. When you submit your fee, then you will be added to course group where you get class links and other updates.